Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Zambia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Zambia Immigration Department e-services site. If you scroll down, you have the link for a new application where you can apply for visa and various immigration permits. Okay. Now you have to log in. So if you do have a login, you can log in. Otherwise, you need to go for sign up and you need to put this. Okay. Certain piece of information uh, are mandatory that you have to put, and certain are not, so that you can skip. So let's do this. Okay. So let's go through this. Click on register. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay, guys. So after you do registration, the system does send you a link to verify your account, and then you can enter here. So here, like I select single entry visa. Okay. Now just some details that it was when I created the profile. Okay. This is just sample details, guys. Don't go for it. You can do it as per your own case. Okay, enter your expected date of entry and departure. Expected date of entry. So I select this. Departure. I go for this. Purpose of visit. I select tourist. Payment is given. Okay. So let's say you have booked your hotel. So you have the address, right? You can do and save later. You can save and compare later too in order to fill the application form. Okay. If staying with host, provide their details. Dependent, have applied permit under this, then provide that detail. Sentenced, I select no. No. Next. Supporting document, passport, covering letter, passport size photo, return ticket, hotel booking. Okay. Okay, it's asking to upload all the documents, otherwise it will be refused, of course. So once you upload all the documents, then next you'll go for the payment, and from there your application will be under process. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.